Cut off the wire ends and ensure the crimped aluminum wire is oxidation-free. Strip off the insulation and sheath and cut out 8 mm long aluminum wire conductor. Use professional electric hydraulic pliers with a pressure of 6 tons to crimp aluminum wire and copper aluminum terminals. Crimping is done into sections. Do not re-crimp the already crimped area. The crimped terminal should be hexagonal for free, with no exposed aluminum conductor. Then, seal the crimped joint with heat shrink tubing containing built-in sealant. Then, heat the crimped joint with a dedicated electric heat gun, and the heat shrink tubing will automatically shrink and seal, prevent the crimped joint from moisture and oxidation. The following is the crimped terminal inserted into the connector body. Then tighten the nut with a wrench. The same steps are followed for the other. Use wire cutters to remove the wire ends. Use wire strippers to strip the insulation and jacket. Cut out 8 mm long aluminum wire conductor. Continue to crimp aluminum wire and copper aluminum terminals with professional electric hydraulic pliers with a pressure of 6 tons. Press twice. Do not re-crimp the area that has been crimped. Continue sealing the crimped joint with heat shrink tubing, which has built-in sealant. Then, heat the crimped joint with a dedicated electric heat gun. The heat shrink tubing will automatically shrink and seal, prevent moisture and oxidation in the crimped joint. Insert the crimped terminals into the connector body. Then tighten the nut with a wrench. It is best to mate the two connectors together.